Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the Klever wallet. Here at Rome Tips, we're diving into the Klever wallet, a multi-asset, non-custodial wallet gaining popularity for its robust security, user-friendly design, and built-in exchange capabilities. Links to the wallet can be found in the description below. Designed for everyone from crypto novices to seasoned traders, Klever Wallet supports an impressive 10,000 plus assets across various blockchains. This blend of accessibility, versatility, and strong security makes it a compelling option for anyone seeking seamless crypto asset management. One of Klever Wallet's standout features is its integrated exchange. This functionality allows users to swap between various cryptocurrencies directly within the app, eliminating the need for external exchanges. This is particularly useful for frequent traders and those looking to diversify their portfolios without relying on centralized platforms. In my own experience, the swaps were executed quickly, and the interface was intuitive and easy to navigate. Beyond trading, Klever Wallet offers staking options for a selection of supported coins, enabling users to generate passive income directly from within the application. This is an excellent addition for users looking to grow their holdings with minimal effort. Security is paramount with Klever Wallet. It utilizes top-tier encryption, and because it's a non-custodial wallet, your private keys are stored securely on your device, giving you complete control over your assets without relying on third parties. The wallet also includes biometric security options and PIN code protection, both of which are simple to set up and use. I found the backup process, which uses a recovery phrase, to be straightforward and reassuring, ensuring you can restore your wallet if necessary. Klever Wallet is an ideal choice for users seeking an all-in-one solution for managing, trading, and staking their cryptocurrencies. Its clean and intuitive interface makes it perfect for beginners, while its advanced features, like DApp browsing and staking, cater to the needs of more experienced users who prioritize convenience and security. These additional features enhance the wallet's appeal, offering a comprehensive suite of tools all within a single application. In summary, Klever Wallet provides a robust and secure platform with a wide array of features designed to meet the diverse needs of its users. Whether you're looking for simple storage, active trading, or staking opportunities, Klever Wallet is an excellent option. For more information and to download the wallet, be sure to check the links provided in the description below. Remember to like and subscribe for more Rome Tips.